Hello, D-Traders, you're watching Daily Currency Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Nidachina. Today, the economic calendar is full of macroeconomic data. Few hours ago, the market was absorbing the report from the Office for National Statistics on the Consumer Price Index in Great Britain for December, which is an indicator of prime importance. Some economists still hope that the fresh CPI could encourage the Bank of England to decide in favor of an interest rate hike in the near future. Last week, the Monetary Policy Committee voted to keep the key interest rate unchanged. The rate-setting committee voted by a majority of 8 versus 1 to maintain the bank rate at record low of 0.5%. Annual CPI inflation rose to 2.1% in November, which is well below the official 2% target. The minutes of the January meeting shows the central bank has flagged concerns over protracted low inflation. Subdued inflation worsens economic growth outlook. Besides, the committee stated that the weakening of the pound sterling since November 2015 is also a lower drag on inflation through input prices. In principle, a decision on the benchmark interest rate depends on inflation rates. As for the CPI report for December, the figures came in line with expectations. The UK Consumer Price Index in December rose 0.2% on year, up from 0.1% seen in November. The December figure confirmed the flash estimates. According to the November inflation report, the Bank of England expects the CPI inflation to slightly exceed the 2% target in 2 years. In the current economic environment, experts predict the British regulator is likely to postpone a rate hike until the end of 2016 or even beginning of 2017. On the back of the positive CPI report, the pound sterling was able to resist the strong US dollar. The pound-dollar pair spiked to the level of 1.4320, where it consolidated amid the optimistic macroeconomic data. An intraday low was at the level of 1.4240. Analysts expect the rally of the British pound to continue ahead of Mark Carney's speech. Meanwhile, investors are displaying their wait-and-see stance. Later today, Bank of England Governor will speak at the 50th anniversary Preston lecture at Queen Mary University. Investors are anticipating this event in the hope that Mark Carney will drop a hint about further intentions of raising the base rate. It was InstaForex News and me, Kate Nidachina. Have a nice trading day.